start the unit number 1, Introduction to Computer. See the page number 1. What is computer? Definition of computer. Computer is an electronic device for storing and processing data. Computer is a machine that can accept input data, processing it, and give output. Computer is an electronic machine which receives data and input process it according to the given instruction and give result as output. A computer is an device capable to accepting data and give these result by processing. A computer is a device which processing the given data with the help of stored program at a high speed. Computer is a highly complex machine, but its use is very simple. Computer can do job quickly and easily. Computer can store data or information quick internally and externally. Computer can store data internally. It uses microchip, for example, internal storage, floppy disk, hard disk, or CPU. CD is used. CD abbreviation of compact disk. The computer configuration in collection of machines which form a complete computer system. These machines can be a keyboard for entering data or mouse for moving cursor, and windows are the monitor to display the program, or the printer to print result as a CPU. CPU abbreviation of Central Processing Unit to process the data, and the disk storage where are used store data. Now, full form of the computer: C for commonly operated, M for machine, P for particular, U for useful, and T for training, E for education, and R for research. These are full form of computer. Now, advantages and disadvantages of computer. Advantage: easily correct any mistake with a math and say multiply version of the document, and I easily sort them so that you can go back to the previous version of the same document. Spell and grammar checking, format the text, and general page layout so that you can make the page look more appealing or the easily to read. Will merge from a database so that you can easily send out data to multiply people at a time. Copies can easily be made with save a printing, and it's much easier to do. Disadvantages of the computer. Data can sometimes be lost due to data corruption. On the other hand, this could happen to somebody had writing a letter because something could happen to the paper such as met, and the user should save at a regular interval the time. Some symbols are not easily accessible, which make typing in a different languages that use a different alphabets is difficult. Also, some complex mathematical equation would be easier to handwriting. Requires a computer to edit or view documents which may sometimes not be there, especially when on the page. Now, uses of computer in a various fields of daily life. First one is in business and offices. Computer are being used almost in all the areas you could think today. Computer are the format anywhere and everywhere. There are few examples of area in which computer are used. Number two is Number one is in business and offices. Computer can keep the record of all the employees and prepare their monthly pay bill in matter of the minutes. A computer can carry check on the stock of the particular items. In bank, in most of the computer banks, a computer system is located centrally and the branches are equipped with the terminal. These terminals, which are connected to the centrally located computer system, give the staff of these branches the online accounting facility. Number three is in science and technology. In science and technology, computers are used to solve mathematical and scientific problems. They are also used for research and try and concept machines which can help to reduce man's work. Number four is at airport and railway station. Airline and railways use computer technology in making tickets for the traveling, preparing, preparing a list of people, serving, sorting detail of the trip made by the trains, keeping and uh, keeping and updating the departure and arrival timing of the planes. Number five is in medicine. In medicine, computers are widely used, especially in hospitals, where modern ways of the handling are the possible by using computerized machines and devices. Number six is in education. In education, in education, computers are being used to conduct lessons for the syllabus in a manner by the which students directly learn from the computer. Students are able to read text as well as see diagram on the screen. Okay, in home, many parents are buying uh, personal computers for their children, and a computer is also available for the household management by the keeping track of a family spending or the storing address. Next is in police. In many countries, computers are widely used in police department to keep criminal records such as detail of the criminal fingerprint and their photographs. In the traffic control, computer also control the flow of the record traffic in big and the heavily populated cities of the world. All the traffic is controlled and managed through signals by the computer. Okay, next heading is hardware. What is hardware? The physical or the tangible components forming a computer are called hardware. The physical or tangible components forming a computer are called hardware. The physical components of the computer are the other attached input and output devices are called hardware. The physical components of the computer and other attached input and output devices are called hardware. Hardware are the computer equipment which are hard you can see and touch them. Hardware are the computer equipment which are hard you can see and touch them. Some example of the hardware are LCD monitor, computer system, keyboard, motherboard, hard disk, memory. It is all a computer or a hardware computers. Now, what is software? Software is a program or set of instructions which direct the computer to perform certain tasks. Software is a program or set of the instructions which is stored floppy disk and hard disk. Software is a program set of instructions which direct the computer to perform special tasks. Software is a program or set of instructions which store or properties, hard disk or CD application or compact disk. You can not see on the touch software. You cannot see or touch the software. Okay. There are two types of software: system software and application software. There are two types of software: system software and application software. First one is system software. System software boot the computer. It helps the computer to run a program. It also helps the computer in storing data, receiving input from input devices, and send the output to output devices. You can say that a system software is a director of the computer. System software is a boot the computer to help the computer to run a program. It also helps the computer in store data, receive input from input, and sending the output from output devices. You can say that a system software is like a director of the computer. You will see the some system software: Microsoft Windows 7, XP, and etc. Now, we have started application software. Next heading is application software. Application software are used to perform special tasks. There are many different types of application software which you can use on your computer, but you may select a few of them according to your need. Application software. Application software are used to perform special tasks. There are many different types of application software which you can use for your computer, but you may select a few of them according to your needs. Okay. Next, you will see the some application software: MS Excel, MS Access, MS Word, MS PowerPoint. These all are the application software. Okay. Next heading is capability of a computer. The computer processes information very fast. The computer stores large amount of data and information. The computer stores large amount of data and information. Next is the computer accurate result. The computer accurate result. The computer accurate result. The computer enable to store, restore, and bring back any if it works. The computer can be improved and upgrading. Quick result. Limitation of computer: not self-intelligent. It is not self-intelligent. It is think and decision making, no feeling, no learning power. History and development of computer. Next heading is history and development of the computer. The computer area is divided into three ages: dark age. The duration of the dark age is 5000 BC to 1890 AD. The middle age 18 to 19 AD to 1944 AD. The modern age since 1944. Early computing machine and their inventor. Abacus. Abacus. It is a no abacus. It is a Latin word derived from the Greek word abax, which means a calculating table. It is a first mechanical calculating device. It is a first mechanical calculating device. It is used for addition, subtraction, and counting. It is also known as a counting frame. It is also known as a counting frame. Its invention was 12th century in China. Its invention was 12th century in China. Abacus was an early aid for the mathematical computation. Its only value is that it adds the memory of the moment performing the calculation. It is the first mechanical calculating device. It is used for addition, subtraction, and counting. It is also known as a counting frame. It is also known as a counting frame. Its invention was 12th century in China. And there are three types of abacus: China abacus, Japanese abacus, and modern abacus. Chinese abacus, Japanese abacus, and modern abacus. The history of computers start out about 5,000 years ago with the birth of the abacus. It is a wooden rock holding horizontal lines with beads tugging on them. When these beads are moved around according to programming rules memorized by the users, all the regular arithmetic problems can be done. All regular arithmetic problems can be done. Let's see the one box of the screen that is called frame. Okay. Yeah, it is two parts: upper disk and lower disk. It is called upper disk and lower disk. You will see the some rows that is called rows. And first, each bits value is a 5. Okay. Now one uh, first row is the ones, and second is the tens, and third is the hundred, and fourth is the thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. Each value is one. Each each bit's value is one. For example, one, two, three, and four. Each bit value is one, and each bit value is five. Apart this is each bit value is five. Okay. Now, how can we solve the question? For example, 400, 141, 141. One is a hundred, ones, tens, and hundred. 100 is value. We have select the row number third. We have select the row number third. So 100, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and 1. And 41 is a 4, 4. 4 is a 10. 4 is a 10. We see the row number 2. We see the row number 2. That is 4. Okay. And row number 1 is value is 1. So 100 plus 41 equals to 141. 100 plus 41 equals to 141. Okay, next is the Napier bonds. Next is the Napier bonds. Napier bonds was a Scottish mathematician. He created logarithm table. He created a logarithm table to facilitate calculation. He also created a device known as a Napier bonds. It was designed in the 1612. It was designed in the 1612. It was made up of the rows or strokes with the numbers marks on them. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiply, and division. It is used for addition, subtraction, multiply, and division. How can we add the value or multiply the value of the Napier bonds? First, you have see the sum table. Question is 4, 5, 6 multiplied by 1, 2, and 8. 4 upper side we have arranged the 4, 5, and 6, and right side we have arranged the 1, 2, and 8. How can we multiply the value? Okay. Now first one is 6. 6 ones are 6. That is unit, and this is a 10. That is a unit that is a 10. The 6 only the 1, so 6 ones are 6. Okay, and then 5. 5 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 1. 6 multiplied by 2. 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12. 2 is a unit and 1 is a 10. 6 to the 12. And 6 multiplied by 8. 6 multiplied by 8 and value is a 48. 6 is a 48. 6 is a 48. The 8 is a unit and 4 is a 10. 8 is a unit and 4 is a 10. Okay. Now 5. 5 ones are 5. Okay. 5 is a unit and 10 is a 0. 5 to the 10. 0 is a unit and 1 is a 10. 5 8 are 40. 5 8 are 40. 0 is a unit and 4 is a 10. 5 is a 40. 5 8 are 40. And next value is 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 is a unit and 0 is a 10. 4 is a unit and 0 is a 10. 4 2 is a 8. 8 is a unit, 0 is a 10. 4 2 is a 8. 4 2 is a 8. Okay, next value is 4 8 is a 4 8 is a 32. 4 8 is a 32. 4 is a 32. 2 is a unit and 3 is a 10. 2 is a unit and 3 is a 10. The 4 is a 32. Okay, how can we multiply the value, add the value? Okay, now 8 is a 8, 8 1 is 8, 4 2 is a 4, 4 and 2, add the value. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, 2 and 4, 6, 6 and 1, 7, 7 and 6, 13. 3 and 1 is carry. Okay, next is 3, 8, 11, 11, 1, 12, 12 and 5, 17. 17 or 1, 18, 18, 8 and 1 is carry. Okay, next value is 4. 4 and carry 1, 5. Okay, and 0 is 0. We have arranged these value 0, 5, 8, 3, 6 and 8. That is your answer. That is your answer. Okay. Next heading is slide rule. Next heading is slide rule. Slide rule was invented by the William Author in 1622. A manual device used for the calculation that consists in its simple form of the ruler and the movable middle pieces. A slide ruler, also known as the slide ruler, is an extremely complex ruler that functions as an analog computer by sliding certain components of the ruler of the line with each other. A slide rule can compute product, root, logarithm, and the result of the trigonometric function. It is used for logarithm, multiply, and trigonometry. It is the purpose of to serve as a mechanical analog computer. It is wood, aluminum, plastic material, scale rule, and cursor. Application of these rules in ancient science and engineering. It is used for finance, science, and engineering. Next heading, Pascal calculator. Pascal calculator is a calculator invented by the Blaise Pascal in the early 17th century. The first operating model called an numerical reed calculator was introduced in 1642. This regular box, also called a Pascal line. Use 8 movable dial to the add numbers up to 8 figure too long. Pascal device used for the base of the 10 to of a point. These form example as one dial move 10 knots or one complete resolution. It moves the next dial with represented the tens column on the face. When the tens dial move one resolution, the dial representing the complete place move one knot and so on. The Pascal device could only add and subtract, while multiply and division operations were implemented by the perform a series of the addition or subtraction. Leibniz calculator. In 1694, a German mathematician and philosopher, Georg Wilhelm von Leibniz, in 1646 to 1716, improved the Pascal by creating a machine that could also multiply like its predecessor. Leibniz mechanical multiplier worked by the system of the gears and dials party by the standing Pascal original notes, and the drawing the Leibniz was able to define his mechanical arithmetic. Next heading is arithmeter. However, with the adoption of the mechanical calculator would have to wait unit Charles Xavier found the column and the Frenchman converted the machine in 1820 that could perform the four basic arithmetic operations. Charles Babbage. Next heading is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage in 1822, Charles Babbage invented the very fast mechanical computer. His computer name was Different Engine. This computer would able to calculate mathematical table. Charles Babbage gave the basic idea of the computer, so he is called the father of computer. A different engine first created by the Charles Babbage in an automatic mechanical calculator design to tabulate polynomial function. Its name is derived from the method of the divided difference, a way of the interpolate on the tabulate function by the using a simple set of the polynomial confidence. Okay, next is Hermann Hollerith analytical engine. It was the kind of the general purpose computer and could solve the mathematical problem but due to some technical problems. Hermann Hollerith developed tabulating machine. Developed machines for the encoding information on the punch card. Card could be stored and tabulated. 1890 since completed in 2 years with the Hollerith machine. Also save millions of the dollars. Okay, student, any problem? Thank you and Allah Hafiz.